Hello students, in this video I am sharing with you an advertisement issued by the Indian Air Force for direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in IAF. You can see on the screen the advertisement number. It says applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for the recruitment of following Group C civilian posts at the various Air Force stations or units mentioned below. The eligible candidates may address their application to the concerned stations or units. The details of the posts are given below. So the details which are given below, these do not include the lower division clerks. In the next screen, we will see the LDC's posts. Now these vacancies are under Headquarter Training Command IAF, and the postal address is also mentioned against each post. So let us say first of all serial number 1, which is of Bangalore. There are 2 posts of LDCs and both are for UR categories. Next we come to serial number 3. These posts are at Belgavi and there are 2 posts of LDCs, one for UR, one for OBC. Then coming to next Chennai, Tambaram, Chennai, there are 2 posts of LDCs, one of UR, one is of SC. Next is serial number 7, Coimbatore. There is also 1 vacancy of LDC and it is for OBC. Next and the last is Hyderabad. This is Commandant Air Force Academy, Hyderabad. There are LDC's posts, 3 posts. One is for UR, one is for ST, and one is for EWS. Okay. Now, age limit for all posts is 18 years to 25 years. And the crucial date for determining age limit is the last date of receipt of applications. Since the advertisement was issued in the first week of September, we can take it that the last date is first week of October. But please send your applications at your earliest. And the age relaxation, we can see 3 years for OBC category, 5 years for SC/ST, 10 years for PWBD category, ex-servicemen also. And SC/ST OBC candidates applying against unreserved posts are not entitled to any relaxation in age limit, experience, etc. And the age relaxation for all eligible candidates is as per prevalent government instructions. Now we see educational qualifications and pay scale for each post. Let us see serial number 2, which is relevant. Lower division clerk, level 2, it's always level 2, as per pay matrix 7th CPC. And the educational qualifications required are 12th class pass from recognized board, a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. 35 WPM and 30 WPM correspond to 10,500 kdph or 9,000 kdph on an average of 5 key depressions for each word. The mode of selection given is all applications will be scrutinized in terms of age limits, minimum qualification, documents and certificates. Thereafter, eligible candidates will be issued call letters for written test. The eligible candidates will be required to appear for written test. The written test will be based on minimum education qualification. Syllabus for written examination, they have mentioned for LDC, general intelligence, general language, numerical aptitude, general awareness. The question come answer paper will be in English and Hindi. The requisite number of candidates will be shortlisted and called for skill, physical, practical test. Therein will not be, wherever applicable, further 100% weightage will be given for written test. The practical, physical, skill test will be of qualifying nature only, and marks awarded therein will not be added in total marks while preparing for merit list. So the last date is 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. I'm not sure when this was published in these newspapers. If you are able to see, please confirm from there, or you take it as the end of this month. Now, how to apply? They have given that all eligible candidates can apply to any of the above Air Force station of their choice, subject to the vacancies and qualifications. Application as per format given under, typed in English or Hindi, duly supported with the following documents, is to reach the concerned Air Force station through ordinary post. Applications sent through registered post or speed post courier will not be accepted. Please note. In how to apply, they have given the details. Please, those who are interested and eligible, they can go through all the details and send your applications in the desired manner, in the desired format at the earliest. There is no fee for this, and go through the general instructions also. There are special general instructions also at column 7. Please go through each and everything. Whenever you are going through an advertisement, go through it completely, understand things, and then go forward for applying. This is the pro forma for application, in which the application is desired to be submitted to them. And I'm giving a link of this advertisement in the description of this video. All those interested must apply at the earliest. That's all. Thank you.